Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Rodeway Inn Branson Brick House. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 1 swimming pool, non-smoking rooms, free Wi-Fi, family rooms, free parking, facilities for disabled guests and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. This Branson, Missouri, hotel is 1 mile from Adventure Ziplines of Branson and 2 miles from Tangler Factory Outlet. Guests of Rodeway Inn will enjoy an outdoor pool. Rooms are equipped with a cable TV and work desk. Some accommodations feature a small seating area with a recliner. The Rodeway Inn provides guests with free Wi-Fi and access to conference rooms. A limited number of pet-friendly rooms are available for a surcharge. The hotel is 3 miles from the Branson Convention Center and 5 miles from local theme park, Silver Dollar City. Table Rock Lake is just 20 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.